Guys, me sound awful, right? But today, I just wake up and my husband soon come in. So, my plan for this right yesterday. My girlfriend buy this Senny come give me. Say she want me to do it. So I just go try to think I never do them thing here before. Sinus bother me. So she buy this. It's a doodle spray in there. So I go open it. I go open it show you. She buy it on Amazon and tell me say she want me to use it. And prank my husband. As I say, I never do them something here before. So I don't know nothing about them something here. But I go try a thing. If it work, it work. If it not work, it not work. You understand? So he soon come home. He might come home maybe about the next 45 minutes. Me take off this off a minute. I don't want him to realize. So what I go do, I make sure I'm sleeping at them here last night. Normally he asks me where you sleeping all of them clothes for. But if I dress up and put on a brassiere and a this and a, he might go know say something. He might figure it out. Or I go back in a bed in a brassiere and there's something there. So I can't make him realize anything. So I try my best to prank him. Okay. Sinus bother me. So you hear my voice sound because of my sinus. Anytime if I sound like this, my sinus terrible. Okay, so I will put on a yellow top, right? Something I can show. I don't know how to do the spray though. But I go take off my shorts right before him come and spray it on the bottom right there so. Down at the bottom where you do though. And me I go back, go lay down in the bed. Me now cover up on a sheet. Just I go lay down and when he come in, me I laugh. Me I got hear what him have to say. Because when he come in and if him come right over me there so and see the marking on my bottom, I write this so the excitement I go start. Me do it up myself. So that me want to try do. I don't know if it go work, but me I go try. So I go open up this and see. And then me set up the phone already so that, but another thing me kinda afraid, the way the phone set up right here so when him walk in, him go to see me I record it. But he not used to me I record because my man not really like camera. So him though used to me I record. Guys, me not even wash my face for a morning, so if my face look away, because me just wake up. But me want to do this. So what time now? After 8 and I reach here before 9 o'clock. So I have to make sure so me get up and do all of this before he come. So I'm gonna open the box. I never even opened the box. It's about a month and a half now. My girlfriend sent this to me. But I just never want to do it. Like, I'm just afraid. I'm afraid for prank him with them something here. I'm gonna get upset. Oh my god, what the hell is this? Never even opened the box. So, this are the doodle. Lord Jesus. What the hell? And these are the spray. So watch here. Look what she's. See the spray? Oh my god. For prank. And this look like real doodle. So what am I do? Set up this in the bathroom. What the hell? This will look like doodle. This will What's wrong? So which one if I put this? After me no know. No, I have to call her come and need help. Me no know nothing about them something. Yeah. I mean never watch none of the video them before. So she tell me for do it. Me never even watch no video. Forget to know what me I do. I should have watched one video. I go say I can't watch one video now. Alright, so I'm going to take the phone off of this record now. And then when him come, I'm going to set it up to start recording. I need to charge the battery. Alright guys, me see you later. Me gone back in my bed like nothing happened. So, wait and see. When he come, so in my yellow top, same yellow shorts, but I'm not spray this here do upon me at all. Nope, not spraying it. Too stink. So what I'm going to do is spray it at the doorway. And then I'm going to put like upon the doodoo itself. So it will stink up the place because it smells yucky. So when him come through the door, when Obi come through the door, it smell like gonna knock him. But me I go pretend cause me just send him a message. I say, babes, my belly hurt me. My belly hurt me. You know how much time I go to the toilet, how much time I go to the bathroom for a morning. Me not feel well. So when we send him a voice note like that, he might come with the expectation knowing that me not feel well, you know? So me just go pretend. Guys, me sorry I can't get for show no the full video about it, the reaction and everything, but me have to hide the camera. Definitely have to hide the camera. Alright, so let's see how it work out. Me gonna lay down like something to me. Guys, me get trick. So the voice note me just sent Obi a while ago. He sent me a message say he might do pick for Thanksgiving. So him soon be here. So me have a longer wait for wait. So still there, go and lay down in a bed little. He say my pick for Thanksgiving. So that means say he might choose him work because he might go work Thanksgiving. He might choose him work for Thanksgiving. So we still have to wait. So him not come here 9 o'clock, 11 minutes after 9 now. Normally him day here 9 o'clock. So it will take him 20 minutes to reach home. So him a pick now, so maybe another half an hour or 30 minutes. So I just have to wait until he come. Because him knows me now. You know, I'm sending the voice notes, so I don't feel well already. So I guess that's it. I have to just wait. Guys, I have nowhere to put the doodle. I don't even know where to put this doodle. So let's try something. So he's gonna come through this door, right? Now when he's gonna be here pretty soon. Now when you come, he's gonna face the bathroom. So I don't even know where I'm gonna put this doodle. How is he gonna know? Like, should I put it on the sink? I have no idea where to put this shit. Okay. So these are the warning to keep it away from children. Okay. Alright, so how to do this? Jesus Christ, this shit look real. Alright, so I don't know which path to put it. I swear to you. Because I never watched no prank before. Just go on YouTube and I not see nothing sensible. I forgot to test it out. Okay, so right here so is where me I go put the doodle because the toilet they right here so you actually can't miss. And it go coming like me have diarrhea or something. So when him walk in, him actually I go see it on the floor. So when him walk in up here so him I go see it on the floor. So when him walk in and look so straight across, him I go wonder what at the on the floor. Cause the light I go stay on in the bathroom. So let's see how it work out. I don't know what the hell in this a sprayer. It think like dead dog. Me not put this on me. No sir. The spray stink like me no know. What me I gonna do is just spray it right at the doorway there. So I now go put it on my bottom because I did think it dark. I spray it in the sink and I want to vomit. I now put this on me at all. It too stink. Just like a spray a little bit at the doorway that when he walk up, he might go sink. He might go kill me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Me not put this on me at all. This too stink. Hell no. All when me be 10 times, I not think it gonna come off. Okay guys, so because my mat, me da go clean my bathroom today and wash my mat, me go put it down on the mat and then me spray it on the doodoo because the mat about for wash. Today me plan for clean, so me can put the doodoo down on the mat and put this fat spray on top of the mat because it would look more obvious if it over there, so it now go look so obvious. So when him walk in now, you will see it. So I put it down right there, so what me I go do is spray the fat spray upon the mat right there, so. And then now me we go wash the mat because today me did plan to clean my bathroom. So yes, that me I go do. See there? Okay, so me hear the car like it pull up round at the back. So me I go get ready. Me not put that spray upon me to stink. Hell no. Okay guys, so Obi is here. He's outside and about to come inside now. So I am just getting ready, trying to farm sick. Like I am really sick. So I am waiting for him to come inside. And when he come inside, I will definitely get him because my husband nut don't easily crack. You can't really get him like that because he see things before things see him, and he always believe that he's on top of his game. So I am going to see if this prank will work. So let me know what do you think about this. And the next thing, he does not like camera, so I am going to do my best to kind of keep him out of it, but you have to listen to what he's saying and let me know what do you think about it, okay? Also guys, we're real Jamaican, so we speak patois, so I apologize for anyone who don't understand what we're talking about or how we do this, okay? So but let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about this? He's coming.
What's this one? Donna? What's this one? Right on the step, that's all. No, do not catch up back. Don't get. Donna, see, do it on the floor there, man.
What do you mean?
Do it on the floor in that bathroom. You do the reach on the floor. Give me a hand, do this thing. Pick up that do the floor in the bathroom. Is it called Verizon? So the Verizon chucking in here at work. You know about it? You never call him? So them come on him.
Them say somebody else connection. They come check it.
Them come check somebody else's connection.
Yeah.
You know, tell them about your connection. You know that movie that on the floor there, watch me and all that piece of stuff. Just drop out their clothes. Are you do that?
On the floor?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go look. My belly hurt.
You know that the on the floor that's like a right, that's a dodo. That look like a drop out their clothes.
Can I take it up for me? You know, clean up my doodle for me? Huh?
You can't just get up and take up the dodo and drop it in the toilet. See, toilet there right beside you there. But how do you know that?
So you can't take up my doodle if there's a doodle in there?
Yeah, if you're sick and I'm sick. Julian Banton, you don't stay outside and wait for me to finish doing.
So if you really see my doodle in there, you won't take up my doodle.
If you're sick, Nana.
So me
You're
not
sick.
see you sick.
Yeah, it's been there hurting, but you've been there hurting, but that not really. I don't stop you from walk. Suppose you want to do it now, you know, get up.
See, someone clean it up.
You don't know how you reach on the floor.
You don't know, say doodle up on the floor.
Don't do it on the floor, just up on the floor, so you don't know how you reach on the floor. You do it on the floor or
I don't know if me don't know, me do have diarrhea from morning.
see, we not look at that against the right, that's it, you're going to do. I don't like it drop out now,
I don't know of that. Okay guys, so as you can see, nothing really frightened my husband, you know. He's not the kind of person who get no. He come, he smell the smell cause I spray it down on the step. And I spray it on the dodo itself. It's stinking, man. Yo, that dodo spray there. Stink, man. Sick my stomach. But anyways, as you hear him say, me not sick. I just my belly hurt me, so I must go take up a dodo. And it look like me literally bend down and dodo right there, so him don't know say me prank him yet. But when he come back up, me I go video it and say me prank you. I prank you. So just here. Me a farm sick and I say belly hurt me and if you can't take up a dodo. He say me no sick, my belly hurt me so me can't go take up my own dodo. So that was so funny. Take this shit out your nose. Stink, man. Jeez and peace. I mean when you tell me about me can't style you. What if you stop me first? What you mean by that?
You want to reach out in public? On YouTube.
So why haven't reached my YouTube after me not care?
Alright. If you're not care, then you can style me.
Set me style, you go put it on social media. You go tell the world. You're serious. Oh my god. And after me tell her before me come, so me not feel well.
And you know the good thing about it, take a picture of it.
You?
Mm-hmm.
When you do that?
I mean when?
You take a picture of it, so
Evidence.
So what you gonna do?
Let me talk, let me show it.
So you have proof.
Mm-hmm.
So how me not see when you take a picture?
If you never know say that happen, or if you say them take picture.
So me never in the room and me see you, so me not see when you gonna take a picture.
But you never know when that up there happen.
But tell me when you take the picture.
You know that? Before. I'm gonna find out say you.
My God. So you really think I may do that?
Don't follow me.
Let me do it.
Oh.
I don't know. I must see you this morning when before you leave that work. I know me. I prank you. Me set it up. So you can't go on no way go tell nobody nothing. Cause
Well, I'm prank it today, but you. I'm not prank until I feel like saying me do it.
oh,
No, I don't know.
me just put it down there.
I can put on there. You can put on there, but not with your hand. Straight from the factory.
Wait, straight from your belly.
Yeah, straight from the factory.
Okay.
They said put on the nose of a factory that I come from.
So which part of the factory of my belly?
Yeah.
But me put it down there for prank you for truth.
That's not a prank.
And a prank? What?
It's a prank. What? For what? For make me feel like I may do it?
No, just prank you. For
That's
just see a reaction.
not a prank.
It is prank. It is a prank. Ain't not real.
Mm-hmm. And we not that one.
Because me spray something to make it smell that way then.
Guys, I'm done talk. I'm more talk, I'm more talk, let's talk. Let's not talk.
Chanel know about it.
No problem.
Chanel knows me that got prank you this morning. Ask her.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you do.
No, I didn't.
No. Let that alone. There's more of you come out.
But if more even come out, that's fine. Me put them doodle in my bathroom and Max can see it.
Which bathroom?
My bathroom and he thinks that me do it.
That's not put on. Where you take put it on? That comes straight from the water belly. You see it curl up.
Me put it down. I say me want to see him reaction when he comes to the dodo.
We never see no reaction.
But when me send you the message, me make sure me tell you ahead of time so me no feel well so that when you come you can see. Me not really see no reaction. But me did actually want to see.
What that do?
He not do nothing. But me ask him if him not take it up for me. And him say he not take it up because he never say he not take it up. He say if me did sick, but I just my belly hurt me.
Because you don't want to do it.
And then he say if you want dodo.
Yeah, that do.
But you know, I grace it by the dodo, so he come give me and the spray and tell me if you do it. Yes, it's a roll of dodo, it's fake a plastic.
I'm sure you put on neat there, so we know that's not act.
And Gracie tell me if you put on the dodo and pack you. You know, for I went about 2 months now, it in a box up there. I said, me not do it. About 2 months. And yesterday, I said, me I go do it today. I'll see your
You see that
reaction.
though? You just run a line with it. Like from the bed, you know?
What kind of line?
Just drop piece of the bed and drop piece, you know? From the floor and lead to the bathroom. From the it fold up on the bathroom right there, so.
If you
You
see
see
something,
something,
right?
and you go, you say you go on this, you go do though. You go drop down on the clothes and bend on this and do though. It just been neat on the floor right in front of the toilet. That look like something you deliberately do.
My
You
God.
see the drop piece, you know?
You know,
Along the line, along the way.
me want to laugh is a shame, but me couldn't laugh. Like, me just couldn't laugh.
If you do it along the way now, and say you know, feel good and left on the bed and I'm see me, I kill you up, I don't believe it.
Me just,
And
you know
then
what? What make me ask
when
you?
I come to the second stop, it's wicked. I will go in there, up there, it don't smell up there.
It
And I
smell.
said, you don't really smell up there, up on the step.
So, I got Obi. Him don't think me get him, but me get him. Guys, what my husband said, right? Him say the doodle look like it a come from the factory, which is my belly. Him say it look like me just stoop there and put it there. That's what him say. That was so funny. I didn't put the camera on him, but the rest of the result is history. Just listen to what him saying. It just a pity everybody not going to understand what he's saying or what I am saying because we speak patois. But it was epic. I laughed till I cry, literally cry. I laughed till some of it don't even depend on the video. That's how much me laugh. Me laugh bad. It was very funny. You know, I'm thinking would have maybe get pissed off because of the odor and the smell, but I'm kind of a little agitated because you could have heard it in his voice, but him never upset really. Him just like agitated because him say a part of him just feel like something not right because me not go just do that. And then I asked him to take up the dude. Oh, I laugh bad. It's epic.